Hey guys, Lee, Ross Rod Shop. Today, I'm getting started disassembling this. I got to take all this inner structure out of this quarter panel, get all of this here loose, so I can put this quarter panel on that car. So let's get after it. Take these. Take off these, drop everything in the floor. These mounting brackets for the rear bumper cover. That's got a wood screw in it, so somebody's been in here before. I need to get a Phillips screwdriver and get in there to that one because I can't get a socket on it. Okay. Well, didn't need them anyway. I've got new ones for the other one. But we'll keep them in case we need anything off of them. Throw them on the floor. Hey guys, Lee here, Ross Rod Shop again. What I've decided to do on this quarter panel is I'm going to take it loose here, all the way down here, and across here. And I'm going to use all of this structure here on that car because all of this is damaged really bad. So, and then I'm gonna take it loose all along here and use this outer structure. Is all of this here is damaged naturally on that car as well. So I want to use this part here, and all of this part here. And what I'm doing is I'm just getting the seam sealer off so I can get to the spot welds. Then I'll get the spot welds all the way down here, across here, up to here. Well, I'll get the spot welds down here, here, and then down to here, and then across here is what I'll do. And then there's a few spot welds here and then across here, which I'm gonna have to take all of these spot welds out across here to get this part of the quarter panel. I'm gonna have to take all of these, drill out all these spot welds here to get this quarter off anyway. But I'm not going to use this whole lip though. I'm probably going to wind up cutting it across here and welding it across there like that. So that's where we're at. So let me get this separated and then I'll be right back with you.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just
Okay guys, finally got all the inner structure out, got the panel cut, and again it's a little oversized. I kept this piece here because they're both damaged on the car, and there you have it. Now I'm out here on the car, so I have to remove this piece here. Again, you see how damaged it is. And this piece here. Welds come down here and across the bottom. So I'm gonna drill all this out, get these two pieces off. Then I'm gonna get in here, jack this car up, get in here, and try to get this stuff hammered back out. Work this out a little bit more. And then we'll see about fitting that quarter panel on there. But see, we got to get this straightened out here. See how that's crinkled? Get in here, knock this thing back out that way and get that straightened out. And that's where we're at right now. So stay tuned to see what happens. All right, everyone, I'm just doing a finish up on the HellCat. This is how far I've gotten it. He actually sold the car, so he told me to stop working on it. The person who bought it wants it as is. You know, I got the, but anyway, I got, you see the fender gaps, door gaps, everything looked good. The front end, it still needs the, I was still waiting on the clip to hold that together. But yeah, he's sending a rollback after it to pick it up, and I had started work on this quarter panel, got everything trimmed down, ready to cut and put it on there, and he said stop. Still some work to do back here, metal work, trying to get that straightened out, but that's on to somebody else now. Actually, I am so glad to see this car gone. It's been sitting here for 4.5 months, and most of that time was me waiting on parts for it. It was a struggle for them to get parts to me for it for whatever reason. I think it was just they were trying to find cheaper parts and didn't want to spend the money, because parts for these HellCats are very expensive, and I don't blame them. I hated that the car sat here that long, but I don't blame them for trying to find the parts cheaper. I do the same thing when I'm looking for parts. I'm trying to save a dollar or two everywhere I can. But yeah, that's where we're at. The HellCat is, as far as I'm concerned, done. It's gonna, a family member of theirs somewhere down in Georgia somewhere bought this car, so it's on its way down there. And he's supposed to be picking it up today sometime. So we're done on the HellCat. Thanks so much for watching these videos on this HellCat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.